What's up, guys? They watching another video. We are here at the homie Daniel's house at Daniel's G80, and we got Nikon's M8. Kevin's going with Nikon, and I'm going with Daniel. Oh my god, this is what I miss most about my GTR.
I know, it makes a huge difference.
At night, it's like such a vibe. Damn, dude, I miss this. I need to do it again on the F80.
I know, it's like a nice little ambient lighting inside.
I know. Daniel just got this done on both his cars, and it's full Alcantara too. You obviously can't see it right now, but it looks super freaking good. Look how sick it looks with Underglow. Looks crazy. You can even sit around the exhaust. Anyways, Daniel's gonna do some flybys right now. By the way, this is day 8 of Vlogmas. We are still at it. Damn it, bro, this camera keeps stopping. The whole clip got cut. You see what I mean? I need to get a new lens, bro. I've been slacking on that too. I need to go to the freaking store tomorrow and buy a new lens. Anyways, like I was saying, today is day 8 of Vlogmas. We are still at it. I have not missed a day. It is tiring though, guys. Today, I haven't been doing nothing. I've been just kind of resting because I'm exhausted, guys. It's a lot of work. Vlogging every day, coming up with new content every single day, thinking of things to film. Also just staying up all night editing, waking up the next morning, film another vlog, then go back home, edit all night, then wake up again in a couple hours and start filming again. It's rough. It's like a full-time job. Best job ever, but full-time job. Daniel just finished up the headliner and a couple other things on his car, so he wants to do some flybys, get some content. I unfortunately don't have the freaking F80. It's at 412 still. Hopefully, Joseph told me that tomorrow will be finished. We're just trying to figure out this misfire issue.
Homeless about to rob Nikon's car.
I swear, I thought you were gonna take my car and go.
We're like, who's this homeless guy on the side of the road?
Me with the hoodie on? Dude. But yeah, I'm still trying to make some content for you guys, even without a car.
Oh my god.
Bro, thought that was him?
Mercedes, bro.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to dinner later, but we stopped here to get some footage of Daniel's car flying by. Daniel's making me want to get a G80, guys. I was talking to him right now in the car, and I was like, you think it's worth it? And he's like, bro, you already did everything you could with the F80. I think it's time to change it. What do you guys think? You guys think it's time to change it to a G80? I love my F80, bro. I love it. I love how it sounds. I love how it drives. The stick shift. I wish I could have both. But the G80s are like on another level, bro. It might be time to change it though. Bro, it looks so good with those wheels.
Keep me warm, daddy.
GTs.
And guys, actually, we are putting Underglow on the F80. I didn't even tell you guys. Our boy owns an Underglow company, and he's sending me out a kit. It's gonna be sick. Always wanted to do Underglow. It was riced out for a second, but it's starting to come back. It's the new wave. Look at that. You can't tell me it doesn't look good, guys. It's making a comeback, I swear.
All right, whenever you're ready.
What do you think? Should I trade in the F80 for one?
What?
G80? No? I think it's time, bro. Kick's got a G80 too.
I know.
Everyone's getting one now.
We need supercars.
And my F80's all trash right now.
Oh, yeah, that shit's...
Gotta get some shit that no one has.
Nikon said don't do it.
Nah, fuck.
He said everyone has G80s. That's the thing that is true though. Everyone does have G80s, guys. I want too many cars. So you know we're getting to Beverly Hills. Blue and red interior? Superman spec.
Yeah, that shit's hard.
That shit is hard.
Bro, the fucking roof is red suede.
Yeah, that's just crazy. Full red in there probably. Bro, it looks so sick with the Underglow. Comment down below, do you guys like the Underglow? I'm telling you, we're gonna put it on my car. It'll be a cool little vlog when we put the Underglow on my F80, watch. We're about to get some dinner at the spot that Kevin's been trying to take me to. Take me on a date, G, or what?
Hey, ciao.
Damn. You don't know how to do it? Look at it. Bro, look how crazy that is.
What the fuck? How are you doing that? What's under it?
Nothing. Look.
There's no way.
Look at it. You gotta have the touch, G.
I think you have to wait.
Watch that shit fall over me right now. What the fuck?
Oh my god. What is this? Some water?
It's water. It's not bad.
Bro, it's disgusting, bro. Bro, this camera's so dark, bro. I hate it. Kevin's grubbing. Alright, we're whipping the M8 now. Kevin's whipping the G80. Oh my god. Because Nikon drank too much.
Bro, fuck these buckets.
These seats are uncomfortable. Stars in it look
Driving
sick.
their cars, bro.
I know, we're literally driving their cars. Wow, I think that looks great. Don't curve the wheels, G. Kevin driving Daniel's car, I'd be scared with these wheels. $20,000 wheels or more probably. I know it's dark so you can barely see it, but it's so beautiful. HREs, the Daytona purple paint off the E36s, I think. Daytona violet purple. Off the E36, right?
Yeah.
So insane.
SVJ.
SVJG? And guess where we at? I haven't even filmed the other times, but we've been here the past 4 or 5 days. We need to be sponsored, G.
Go, thank you. There he is.
I am kind of getting tired of it though, G. We come here a little bit too much.
People think we're a couple.
Let me feed it to you.
Go, do it. I ain't out of here, though. Spoon, bro. Get up.
Look at the lineup right now. G80, M8, what is it, M340? M340s are pretty sick, guys. AMG, and look at this M4. That's a sick ass color, bro. It's like a green, highlighter yellow. That's pretty fire. Oh my god. It's sick, dude. I like the color. And he got the headlights, bro. Got the icons. I can't wait to put the icons on my car, dude. It's gonna change the whole look of it, watch. And I wanna do those taillights too. Like the ones with little dragon scales. I don't even know what to call them, but they look sick too. But yeah, we're getting the headlights soon, guys. Literally like any week now.
Are you driving?
I don't know. Nico's like, take it, bro. I'm always driving this thing every night.
Crash it, G.
Every night I'm driving this M8, guys. Nikon just doesn't care.
I want to drive my cars.
I do want to drive your cars. Are we gonna do it or no?
Maybe.
Tomorrow, G. Guys, tomorrow's vlog, we're gonna be driving Kevin's E92. Let's just go take him around, like San Francisco or something. San Diego, G.
San Francisco.
I don't know what we're gonna do tonight, guys. Today, like I said, it's kind of a boring day, but we might jump in the Jeep and do some cop calls. I know you guys said you want to see more of that. See more of this guy, Chris. What happened to that F80, G? All right, here we go. We're police officers on duty now. We just clocked in. Look at us in the back. There's no way. We'll see if we find some crime today. You saw the last video, we saw one thing happen.
This is a crime, all of us in one car, bro.
So again, if you guys didn't watch the last video, look, they got a legit police scanner. And you're gonna hear some calls come in, watch.
Imagine Nick has to change his channel to being a cop. Cop calls every night.
No way.
Imagine this happens every night in the vlog now.
And 3 Mexicans and 2 Middle Easterns.
They kidnapped the Mexicans.
Oh, why is he barking like a dog?
We got a K9, G.
That ain't no canine, that's a little bitch dog.
The vehicles are black, Chevrolet Colorado pickup truck with loud exhaust and what's been challenging other drivers by revving the engine.
Loud exhaust, G.
Bro, I literally didn't hear a damn
I heard. I think I heard it. Reckless driving, right?
Reckless driver, show me the way.
I'm gonna need to turn up the AC with all of this.
Reckless driving with a loud exhaust, G.
He knows you guys already. Bro. Hey, is there a way you can call on the radio and tell them to find us
Bro,
crime?
I'd be
like where we're
barking
at?
all day to them, bro. I'd be like,
Dude, Loki, you sound like a little chihuahua.
low key, we should get walkie-talkies when we go like rallying and shit, like driving.
What, just bark at each other?
I mean, that's what I'll be doing the whole time, but so we can like communicate
Then I'll
easier.
mute it. What's the point?
Then you won't know where to go.
Fuck it, G. I'm following
you.
you.
There's the cop. Look at they got that shit.
What was it? What was it?
Guy against the wall.
No way. It was my uncle.
It's the fastest way to clean it.
1027.
Now it's all clean. Look, see, like it was raining. Do it. Watch out. Duck, Daniel.
Why?
That's how you know I'm pro at it.
Male Hispanic, 35 to 40 years. Code 2, incident 5016, 206, 206,
Hey, roll your window, Juice. The fuck?
Yeah, okay.
6 on this and 4582.
We're really cops out here, huh?
Bro, Chris, you can't stop at the light. Drive, take the light, Chris.
Why are you scared, bro? Bro, it's crazy that LA looks like this now, bro. Downtown.
Is it Mexico?
Look, there's a fire on the ground right there.
No way, bro.
They're standing around it like zombies, like GTA.
Chris.
Bro, so these idiots crashed into each other?
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this.
They did?
Big
Oh, he
guy.
is drunk, bro. You can see him in there.
Bro, let's go up. Oh, all over Nikon, MX.
Hey,
G.
What's he doing in the hood?
Bro, that color's hard. So guys, this guy's drunk, and he low-key is drunk, bro. Like they're talking to him.
Fuck it, G.
How do we beat the cops here, though?
On to the
That's
next
crazy.
one.
He's not even going here.
We're following him.
He's asleep.
Hey!
Oh my, bro, Chris. Chris.
Thank you, amigo. Sorry.
Bro.
What the fuck is happening, bro?
What the?
Bro, what is going on in LA?
Bro, nobody cares here in LA. That's what I
It's
realized.
literally like GTA. Guys, look how crazy this is. It's just an abandoned Hellcat, bro.
There's no way somebody's
think
stolen
it's a
this.
For sure stolen, bro.
Bro, what? They're visiting
Look at
their
that.
family.
Yeah, it's a scam.
It's all crashed.
Was somebody in there?
Nah, I don't think so. I think
Oh,
someone
okay.
stole it, bro. It's literally like we're in a GTA lobby. I'm not even joking. GTA lobby, I swear.
That sucks.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.